My friend is, but he does cycle quite a lot. And recently I've been cycling with him. I've been first time. No, I don't have a cycle. I've just borrowed one, but I'm also borrowing a cycle. We're talking about how we do it. But for first day you have to pay after the I prefer the taxi because they're suitable for road and they're suitable for
Obviously online you've got so much information.
But to be honest, so I was out with him when I would order it, I would ask him if that's the right one to go in. But he's not hybrid.
I've got something called live focus. So that focus on that.
But he said make sure you buy all this get discount on it. Make sure you buy every discount for it.
Oh, sorry, you're good.
So first one I need to
Drive all half hour. Drive all half hour and eat the thing in the car.
No, I don't want to meet Gary, but not to me.
Or if you want to go for a 4 year, so you own 4 years. Look at the 3%. Look at the colour.